Ever had your stomach roar like a lion in the middle of a meeting? What's behind that audible protest when you're hungry? Meet Borborygmi, the fancy term for those growling sounds. They're caused by muscle contractions in your stomach and intestines, moving food, liquid, and gas through your digestive tract. When your stomach's empty, these contractions continue, pushing air and gas around, creating those famously awkward rumbles. Your brain also plays a role. When you're hungry, it releases hormones signaling your digestive muscles to contract, preparing for the next meal. So, next time your stomach chimes in during a quiet moment, remember, it's just your body's way of saying, "Feed me."